Gonna keep the belt, the head drum. Here's the panel with the AV input. The front panel with the Futaba vacuum fluorescent display. I'll keep that. The belt's up there. And I'm trying to get the tape out of this mechanism. Trying to not totally rip it apart. Here's the tape. Lost on a Sony tape. It's really dusty. So I'm going to try to get it out and we'll see what's on the tape. I usually keep all the screws too. You can see there's shreds of tape in here. I don't know if that's a previous tape or if it's this tape. But yeah, that's what it looks like. A bunch of shreds of the tape. I went to get the correct tool instead of using that one. There's some bugs in the bottom of the unit. Here's the board. I think I'll keep some caps off here maybe. There's a tuner. Sanyo tuner. I was reading the info in the manual and it says it has a YC filter. So this thing has a comb filter. That's pretty interesting. Didn't know you could have a VCR with a comb filter. Ew, look at the mode switch. That is filthy. Let's wipe it off just for the hell of it. And the main goal is to take the tape out. And the second one is to add to our screw and capacitor collection. I'm not going to bother with that one, but just a few on the board, some resistors. There's a resistor down here that I'm going to pull out. That one right there.
Drummer Barry did say, look, our upcoming album announcement and release date will be revealed.
I thought she said she was going to play it. I was like, that's not new.
Last week he said it's your 20th, Barry. I don't know if you're aware, but they have 11 days now. And
Creed, nice.
You know, I'll let you know. I am very excited to hear about that. I'm also very excited to play you some Zeppelin.
So if you didn't know, the capacitors in the power supply, they pissed everywhere and they ruined it. I'm not going to fix that crap. I'm not going to buy a whole new unit just to get a power supply. So, yeah, I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time on stuff this year. So don't say shit. Looks like the tape's coming out, which is nice. If this video gets 5 likes, we'll plug this thing in and watch it smoke. Okay. All the grease on here is still good, which is nice. And the tape is loose. Oh, from that end. Oh, that's right, because I took the gears off right there. Oh, gotta be careful with the tape. Make sure it doesn't close. Just gonna crinkle the tape. Oh. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Do you say Confederate Railroad? Cool. Okay. Oh, there we go. The goal has been achieved. God, that's dusty. The tape's a bit creased, but it's at the beginning, so it doesn't really matter. It's not going to do whatever. Brown black. Probably never need this. But here it goes. It's a bin with all the capacitors, transformers, vacuum tubes, transistors, solder sucker, electron gun assembly from a tube that won't go in any arcade chassis except one oddball one in Australia. So, what the hell else am I going to do with that damn thing? I like to keep the electron gun assemblies if they're worthless tubes. Or if one's sent to me totally massacred. I had a post on that, but I deleted it because one day YouTube said I couldn't make posts unless it was on the YouTube app. Now I use the YouTube app like half the time now. Just check my subs because that's just what I need to do. And this, I'm just going to put this on the front, that right there, put the mechanism in there, and put the top back on it. And on Friday, it's going to be set out for the garbage. And we're done.